Welcome back to the Canvas Crash Course. In this video, we are going to be going over the calendar. To reach your calendar, you just go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the calendar icon. This will open up your Canvas calendar. Your Canvas calendar is mapped with pages, assignments, and quizzes corresponding to their due date in their specific course. The Canvas calendar is a great way to monitor and track your progress through your classes. As you can see here, the different outlines directly correspond to the courses on the right. In other words, the assignments and components are color-coded. You can edit your calendar view by going to the right-hand side and unchecking the classes you do not want to see. By doing this, it gives it a more simplistic and relaxed view if you just want to focus on one course. When I complete an item in a course, it is checked through. This tells me that I have already completed this assignment, page, or quiz, and I can go on to the next one. If I want to go and complete an assignment, I can simply click on the little icon and open it up in its desired course. Now, let's say I have an extracurricular activity or maybe a discussion post with 2 dates, and I need to track that on my calendar. It's easy to add your own events to your own calendar by simply going up to the Create a New Event button in the top right corner. By clicking on this, you can add a specific custom event catered to you and your learning. For example, I can say, respond to my classmates' discussion post. I can set the due date for when it is due, as well as the start and an end time. Then, when I submit it, it'll show up on my calendar. The calendar is a great way to organize your learning and stay up to date. Adding custom events allows you to track external due dates that might not be present in your Canvas course. Use the calendar along with modules to ensure your success here at PLNU. If you have questions on how to use modules, please refer to that video in the Canvas Crash Course. Thank you.